Morning, everybody. Here's the stator. I got the wires. These plates are wired in series with, in this case, the red and the yellow come out on each of these 4 rotors, and these wires will end up going to the brush assembly. That's done. The stator has 4 plates. These will all be in series and then ending in a red and a green wire. That's also going to be involved with the rotor brush assembly. So the idea is, if you look up the Keely Motor, the old one where he has the 9 plates on the stator and 7 plates on the rotor, if that actually worked, he used the ether to run it, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to have either the Ed Gray tube or whatever it takes to produce the ether wave that goes into this thing and causes it to rotate. It'll be ether against ether, so we'll see. The amount you get depends on the voltage you use and whatever. So anyway, in Keely's case, he used his dyna to break down water molecules back into their etheric state by compressing it with sound on 3 axes. So he had 3 bubbles of sound squeezing the water to create a pulse, a wave of energy as it converted back to the ether. Anyway, that's how it all should work. Goodbye.